Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 7 update with Laurier. So how's it going so far?
It's going really good, yeah. I'll be honest, Ayman, and we've talked about this. I was very skeptical coming into this.
Yeah.
I've tried many different things, not necessarily diets because I don't agree with them, but I've tried many different things. And so my skepticism with this, I didn't set a very high bar for myself to lose the weight, but and there have been, it's been some challenges along the way, but the challenges and the things that you've asked us to do, and the education that we've got, the benefits now are far outweighing the challenges that this program has been for me.
That's good.
And I'm surprised with.
You didn't have too much luck with some other programs before?
Not that I've tried programs. I've just always been of one mindset with how weight and gaining weight and losing weight works. I've had one mindset because of what I've been taught all these years. And I used to be able to exercise and get rid of all the excess calories. And in the last 10 years, because of hormonal changes in my age, I have not been able to do that. I cannot work out for as much as what I want to lose. And so I knew I needed something totally different. And this education has been so enlightening for me. I've educated myself on a lot of health things. But this is totally different. I would have never ever thought about the concepts that you're teaching. Would have never thought about them.
Well, that's why this program is different, because like we don't start like changing our lifestyle right away or start the diet. We have to understand the science behind it. We have to verify the accuracy of what we are learning, because there are too many claims when it comes for losing weight. That's why it's taking it's taking longer. Right? Officially we are week 7, so we didn't start the diet yet. We're still learning. And you already, how much total weight did you lose so far?
Well, 17 pounds.
17 pounds, and we're still learning, right? We still have 3 weeks to go. But do you think you will gain back what you lost, or you this time you will keep it off?
Yes. Well, first of all, like you say, I can't even believe that it's worked for me. I really can't believe that. And it's so simple. I can't believe even the simplicity of this, and it's something I can do. I can still enjoy my life and do the things and eat the things that I want to a degree.
To a degree, for sure.
To a degree. But I know what to do to maintain my weight and to get it off when I need to get it off.
So that's why right now you don't have concern about gaining back what you lost. Right?
Nope, I do not.
That's very good. That's good. And this is the challenging part. Like losing weight is easy, but how to keep it off, this is the challenging part. Right?
Yeah.
No, very good. So what's your goal for week 10?
Well, we've revamped it now, so now my goal is 146 pounds.
146, and roughly speaking, when was the last time you think you saw 146? How many years ago?
Probably 8 to 10 years ago.
Wow.
I've tried hard, but nothing has worked.
That's good.
And I don't have the energy to burn it all off. But this, I don't have to worry about that. This procedure and this education we're getting is
very good.
Just,
so if you manage to hit your new goal in 2 weeks from today, that will be a weight that you have seen last time
8 to 10 years ago.
Okay, so do you think you can do it?
Oh yes, absolutely. No
so
question.
let's wait and see, and I look forward to have a follow-up interview with you next week.
Good.
Thank you.